my name is Advay Agarwal, and today I'll show you an invention from this fun and learning book called Crazy Action Contraptions. This is basically for gears and other stuff of Lego, such as pieces of Lego, because it's written here Lego. Okay, so first we will make a blender. So in this book we have to find a blender. So this is how it looks like. There are 48 projects in this book. Yes. See? Here we got the blender. So this reaction will happen. This is how it will look like this. So what we will do is, these are the steps. If you have got this book at home, you can follow these steps and learn how to make this blender. So I've already made it. Okay, so now let's turn it around. So here I'm turning it around. So here this big gear is connected to this small gear, connected to this big gear, connected to another small gear, and then this blender. Okay, so I want to tell you how when we move this big gear slowly, means this gear means this thing. As you can see, if I move it very slowly, but this breaker moves very fast. Do you know the reason? Oh yeah, the reason is when this big gear turns the smaller gear turns faster, allowing this big gear to turn faster than this big gear, and then connected to the small gear which moves faster, and finally connected to this blender. So if you can't understand any of this, so you can read from this book. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to see, and share and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you like and share, it helps my video to become more popular. Bye.